Good morning. It is the day after the eclipse. Did everybody have really good dreams last night? I am going to talk to you guys today about deprogramming and reprogramming. I'm really excited to share with you a little bit of science on that, and I hope that you will share this with your friends and your family who are interested in deprogramming and reprogramming the cells. We have 100 trillion cells in our body. Hey, Katie. And that's a lot of cells. And all of those cells are little universes that provide information to each other for your body. They absorb nutrients, and they allow the body to communicate and talk to one another. So your cells are super, super important. We got someone here from Holland this morning. Awesome. So I'm going to talk specifically about doing the reprogramming with essential oils, because essential oils are great reprogrammers, especially if they are real oils. You can't use the fake stuff or anything that has propylene glycol or other fillers in it that aren't good for you. So make sure that you're using Young Living. And there's another company called Swiss Aromatics that I also really like. They don't have as many products, but Young Living is the only one that I know that actually contains 100% real essential oils in the entire bottle, not just a percentage in the bottle and the rest with some other kind of fillers. So make sure that you know when you're hearing this information that I'm talking about real essential oils. And the labeling can be whatever. The FDA doesn't really help us out on the labeling, so just know that I've tested a lot of different companies, and Young Living is what I'm talking about today, because I don't know of any other company that is good. Hey Sharon, hey Stacy. So essential oils contain 3 different types of terpenes, and this is going to be just a mini chemistry class to help in all this. Hey Dean. Hyssop, which you've probably heard of in the Bible, is the only one. Hey Megan from Montana. Hyssop is the only one that contains actually all 3 of the terpenes that we're going to talk about today. There are phenols, and they're also called hemiterpenes. There are monoterpenes, and then there are sesquiterpenes. Hey Stacy. And so we got phenols, monoterpenes, and sesquiterpenes. I say PMS, basically. So phenols, different kind of PMS. Phenols clean off the receptors of the cells, which is really, really good because it helps your body to be able to communicate with one another. If you can imagine like your car being really filthy on the windshield wipers, like on the windshield, and when you clean off the windshield wiper, basically it cleans it off and allows you to see things better. And similar to the cells, when we're introduced to environmental issues and our chemicals or coloring or different things in our food and our water, cigarette smoke, alcohol, lots of different things, pharmaceuticals can actually create coatings on the cells. And when they have that, hey, all the way from Germany, when we have those coatings on the cells, they can get like filthy and covered, and then they're not able to communicate as well with each other. Therefore, your body doesn't function to the excellence that it really should be. And you don't absorb nutrients as well. So phenols will actually clean off the cells and the receptors so everyone can have clear communication. Oregano is one that has 60% phenols, so that's a really good one. Then we have sesquiterpenes, which is one of my favorites, basically. These also really help with your DNA and with your cells, because frankincense is a biggie. Cedarwood is a biggie. There's a lot of different ones in sesquiterpenes. Let me look here. Basically, the main thing with them is they erase misinformation in the DMA. And so if you have like a cell that has misinformation in it and it starts reproducing and multiplying, then you're going to have a problem. The other thing is genetically, you can actually have things passed down from your grandparents genetically or your great-grandparents and so on, and have different issues with that, and you can actually change all that with essential oils. I don't know why my computer is doing this. Remind me tomorrow. Okay, anyway, sorry about that. So I love sesquiterpenes, and then we have monoterpenes, which are in peppermint and some other things. All of these things are going to offer a healthy immune support system, which is really good. But they can reprogram any misinformation. So you have the cleaning off, you have the deprogramming, and then you have the reprogramming of any misinformation that may have been written on your cells or passed down. So to sum it up, you can use essential oils to support a healthy immune system. You can use essential oils to clear communication and help you absorb nutrients better in your body. It can erase or deprogram misinformation, and it can also reprogram to true or clear communication and correct information. So I hope that this is helpful to you guys. Are you guys learning anything today? Julie or Lola? So we have 100 trillion cells in our body, and one drop of essential oils contains 40 million trillion molecules. Yeah, that's a lot. And so basically, that will cover your whole body in 12 seconds. Pretty cool. So yeah, they're very, very small. They go past the blood-brain barrier. They go right into the skin. Now, if you're using a carrier oil, which I never do, because carrier oils have really thick fat molecules, and so I know a lot of people will want to make the oil, quote, last by using a carrier oil, or they want the oil to sit on top of the skin. I would use a carrier oil only if I was using an oil for like my skin or my face. I prefer using everything neat with my oils, because neat meaning there's no other carrier oil or other thing that's contained in it. I just put it on directly on top of my skin, and you can see it goes right into your body, into your cells. And so, yes, I am Divine Health now and always. Hey, Teresa. So, I use oils every day. I know that many of you do too. They're very, very helpful to create a really awesome support system to your already healthy body. And drinking lots of water is very helpful too, so you can flush out anything that needs to be flushed. So I hope this was helpful to you. Share this with your friends. You can hit the follow button up there. I only have a couple friends open now, I think, because I just took off a few people. But I hope you have a great day. I hope you had a great solar eclipse day yesterday, and hope you have a great day today. Talk to you soon.